Hey guys, it's Kevin. This video is about how to remove and install the mainboard for ET-8550. First, we remove this long tab. There's no good way to remove it, and just like half open like this, and move a little bit and yank it. There, one side will be really easy to remove, another side a little bit difficult, but it's not hard. It's one of the most useless part in the human history, so don't feel bad if you damage it. Okay, one screw here. We repair mainboards, so lots of people email me, hey Kevin, how to remove this easily? Look, there are only 4 screws. We remove one already, and one screw here. And the third screw is hidden at the panel. This printer already has that panel fall off. Yours should have a connected, so don't remove that panel. Just open it up a little bit as long as you can access this screw. This one already gets removed by the customer. Okay, yeah, back to the 4th screw. A little bit out of focus is 4th screw. By the way, I'll use a Phillips number 2 screwdriver bit. I know there are other video there, so this video I'm just want to share my experience from removing and install hundreds of mainboards. I want to make it as easy as possible. Side panel. Oh, another thing is I want to mention the pitfalls where most people damage their printer when they try to remove or install the mainboard. So I will not make you problem worth. Okay, we got 2 screws here, and I believe you only remove the front screw. And there is a screw on the other side. I think I only need to remove one on this side. And then there's another one on the other side. Okay, there are 2 screws, one on the left and one on the right. It's right underneath. The reason is you can check the screw type. See, this is called a machine screw. It has a finer spiral. So let me remove the other one that I think you don't need to remove. It's right behind that screw I removed in the front. It's not the end of the world if you remove this one. So like every time I just, instead of thinking, I just remove 2 screws. I think this is, you don't need to remove is, look, this is called tight screw, is to screw to the plastic. So if you see this, it's not for securing a mainboard. Okay, machine screw is for the metal. Okay, and this screw is really hard to remove for some reason. And after I check it, it's a wrong screw. It's a tight screw. So this is the customer putting a wrong screw. Okay, you need to remove this screw. Okay, look, it's the wrong kind. So far so good. 4 screws on the cover, 3 screws now, and now important. The first thing you do is carefully pull those cables out straight up. Those 3 cables are the first to remove. It's because you don't want to mess up with those cables. Take a breath before you remove those cables. Pull it straight up, straight up. If after replace your mainboard, your scanner not working, or your LCD control panel doesn't work because of those 3 cables, and you can go to bchtechnology.com and search for ET-8550 scanner cable. It'll be one of those cables. There's one cable with a larger teeth. The one with the larger teeth is the motor for the scanner, and the other one is for the scanner itself. It's a scanner data cable, and another one is for the control panel. So you have to figure out which cable it is, or you just buy all 3. And in the page, it will show you how to replace. This one has a broken PF sensor, but yeah, yours won't be like broken in half like this. And so you pull off this FFC and pull off the black and the right plugs. Now we will lift up that floppy disk. We're going to remove 2 screws from the metal bracket and take it off. And there's another screw on the walls, back walls over there. I cannot get a good angle to show you, but it's right there. And take off that screw. Now we're going to dig in and remove 2 more wires. Pay attention to this hump here. This hump is for the screws, for the back screw that we removed. Okay, so you lift up the mainboard and get over this one, get over that hump. For the right side, you're going to push the panel aside and start removing the wires. Oh, by the way, don't need to remember the sequence because in this video I'm going to show you how to put them back. And this panel, if you feel stuck, it's because on the top, when we remove that screw on the top, that screw is secured the top black panel on top of this white panel. So you lift up the black panel, and now the white panel can be like a pry open a little bit more. Now we get the mainboard outside a little bit, so I reach inside and remove all the wires and the FFC cables from the left. And then I go to the right side and remove all the wires. And for those FFC cables, you push your finger behind them, just lift up like that. Okay. So now we remove the whole board. Easy. So basically, do not remove all the wires on the left because you need to pull out a little bit. And the last wire, actually, the last wire I remove is the power wire. It's those. Yours may be blue, maybe red. That is the hardest one to remove. Okay, we're gonna put this mainboard on that printer underneath. Oh, it's a beauty. To put it back, it's not pleasant to work on that little space right there. Here's the thing to make it better. Get a timer, see how fast you can do, and try to finish under 4 minutes. My time is average 3.5 minutes. Again, do not touch those 3 cables from the scanner. These cables has a finer teeth. Normally, if you do like insert and uninsert like 20-30 times, it doesn't worn out. And this is why you want to protect them. So first thing you want to put it on is the power. You get a white plug with 3 wires. Then we put in this fat privacy cable and with a silver side towards you. You have 2 red plugs. Find the one with only 2 wires. Again, do not put the mainboard in yet. Just hold it like me, let it be outside. Now find the plug, only white plug, and plug in to that white slot. Now we only have 2 front plug left. Now we can squeeze in the mainboard. Again, you need to lift that mainboard a little bit. Remember that round bump on the far left. Yeah, right here. And get your mainboard over that lump. So now we're going to put in the remaining 2 plugs, black to black, and the red one should have 3 wires. For this demo, I plug it wrong. I plug this little white FFC cable. I made the silver side towards you. It should be the blue side towards you. See, this is wrong. Okay, I plugged it the wrong side. You should plug teeth to teeth or metal to metal. Now make sure you have a black plug, a white plug from the back, and the FFC cable from the back. Okay, separate them. And you should have this out and bend this cable to 90 degrees. And believe me, once you bend it, very easy to insert it. And those cables you can sort of put it on the one side and find where the opening is. And just play it a little bit, and then you're sure you're on the top of the opening, and just push them straight down. Because you bend it to 90 degrees, you have something to hold it when you push it down. Once we get all the FFC cable in, remember we have 2 plugs, 1 black and 1 white, and we have 1 FFC on this side. And that white plug from the back goes to the middle of 3 plugs. So you skip a plug and plug this one in. And then you're going to find a small plug all the way from right. go over and plug in the socket that you skipped. Now it's the multimedia plug and the big plug. You won't miss this one. Now it's the remaining two, and see this cable, it comes all the way on the top from the start button. Remember, the start button always go really far right. That's the furthest socket. So we're going to plug this one from the start button to the right and blue towards you. Both of them will be blue towards you. Another one you can see is connect to the media card assembly. So this one goes to second one on the right. Okay, so final touch. Okay, silver side towards you. You want to hold it down a little bit, but not too down. Hold it right above the blue and right above it. Okay, this is a little bit farther because I'm good. I'm just so good. Silver side towards you, and damn it, I'm holding too high. Anyway, reload a bit, and the silver side towards you, and push firmly straight down. Okay, you get one chance, or maybe three, not more than five. Okay, again, blue side towards you, and that's it. 5 minutes and a half. So it's not bad, and because I'm showing you guys, if I want to do it, I can do 3. Because I installed that little cable wrong, it should be blue side towards you, install the silver side towards you, and we're going to have 034004 error, which is embarrassing. And fix that cable, and now everything works. My fastest record is 2 minutes 45 seconds. So post below if you can beat my personal record. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.